Texas. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, central Matagorda County in southeastern Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over South Texas nuclear plant, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bay City, South Texas Nuclear Plant, Sargent, Vleck, and Wadsworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.